Okay, hey guys, Saturday Satisfier here, and we are going to be playing more Minecraft, and it's Saturday, and when I did my first video, that wasn't Saturday, it was today. Saturday, wink wink. Okay. If you're wondering what is this, well, yeah, it was on Saturday I make the best video, so I'm showing you something that I built. A doorbell. I think that'll be okay. Look, just like you're inside just doing stuff, and then the doorbell rings. Actually, well, I didn't get to build the whole house. This is like the style of what the house is going to be like. That's the style of the house. I didn't have time to build it all, so. Okay, so let's get straight into this. I'm not going to build another one. Well, no, we're not going to build another one. So, the things that you're going to need is a redstone lamp. I'm just going to make it easier to put everything in my inventory. A metal button or a wooden button. I chose the wooden button because it fits better with the redstone lamp. Well, I'm thinking of the stone one would go better. So, you need redstone dust. You need green wool. You need, what else? What else is there? Oh yeah, note blocks, the most important thing. Wait. If you want, well, I try to make 2 notes. Well, I think you need a redstone torch to do that, but I'm not exactly sure. So this is how it works. I don't know how to do it with 2 note blocks, so sorry about that. So, first off, you're going to place, you're going to build your house. Then, over here, you're going to, say if this redstone lamp and wooden button was just wood. Then you have to place down a redstone lamp and a button in front of it to make the light. But the sound won't be on. I just wanted to fill in the ground there. That's not a pressure plate. Okay, so then you have to place lime wool right behind and 1 block beneath the redstone lamp, yeah. Then you have to place redstone dust on top of the lime. So the redstone, the light travels through the redstone. Then you have to place a note block up here. Wait. There. Then you have to place a note block up here. Then place a redstone repeater. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Redstone repeater facing that way. Where's it? Oh no, a redstone repeater facing that way. And then you have to pluck it 3 times. Like that. So, and then it should come out like this, just flip the notes a bit. Oh, it's turning morning. I want to make it green. Okay, it's nearly there. Yeah, I think there. That looks perfect. It's matching with the lime. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video here because it's not supposed to be very long. So, like and subscribe, rate, comment, and bye!